and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Perrie's inspired leopard look from the bounce back video. This is also Leanne's look as well because her makeup is kind of the same. So you might see me in Leanne's outfit and this is Leanne's look. All I did was take my hair extensions out and put on a different lip. This is MAC, Whirl and Stone mixed together. So that's how you create Leanne's look. This is a little plastic bone corset for Pretty Little Thing. It's as close as I was gonna get to Leanne's expensive ass fucking leopard corset. So yes, so this is Leanne's look if you wanted to alter the tutorial you're about to watch into Leanne's look. All you gotta do is change the lip color. So that's pretty cool. So this is like 2-in-1, but I mainly talk about Perrie in this video because when I was planning this video it was just Perrie's, but then I looked at Leanne's and I went, bitch, that's the fucking same. So Leanne's is also in this one as well. So if you would like to find out how I created this beautiful feline leopard look, then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys. Alright, you're seeing me with one eye on because I was filming this video and I realized I wasn't filming at all, so I had to wipe off one eye. Do it again. So we are going to go in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. The eyebrow is already done obviously and primed with my P. Louise makeup base. So we're going in with a fluffy brush here and taking the shade Tempura. And I'm going to pack this all over the lid from brow bone to lash line. Taking a Morphe M513 brush, I'm going in with burnt orange here. And we're going to pop that in the crease and corner that off. Now Perrie's look and Leanne's look are pretty much the same. So this is Perrie and Leanne's look combined. Because I don't want to do the tutorial that's exactly the same, just have a different title. So it's both girls. So now that that's in the crease, you can leave it here if you don't have hooded eyes or tiny eyes like I do, but I'm going in with Rustic, which is just a more chocolate coffee brown, and I'm lightly just putting that in there just to give my eye a little bit of dimension because there is so much liner on here that I already feel like my eyes have been sucked into my head, but I'm going to put a lash on it to bring it out. And then going in with that fluffy brush we use with Tempura, and I'm just blending it out so it's not so dark. And then going in with that brush we had before, tapping it off, and going in with orange soda, tapping that off, and lightly going around the edges. Swapping palettes from one Anastasia palette to the next, we're going in with the Alyssa Edwards palette, and we're taking a white shade here called Headliner. Any white shadow will do. So just taking this, then we're extending our eyelid. So basically we're putting it here in the inner corner and extending it out. So we're extending here and bring it around and fade it off. Brush that you used all those browns with, don't add any more color and just go around. I'm taking my NYX vinyl liner. It's black, it's lovely, it's got a nice brush tip. It's my replacement for my LMX one because it's literally on its last legs. So we are just taking this liner and I'm going to match it to this eye. So let's do that. So now that I look crazy, this is why I don't really do like natural just liner looks, okay? So I'm gonna throw on some mascara, as always, just using this one. Okay, so we'll come back to the eyes in a minute. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and I'll be right with you. I feel like one eye is bigger than the other again, and I hate that about my eyes. So today I'm taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is shade 2W2 Rattan. So we're gonna apply this with a damp beauty blender. Where is it? Okay. And for concealer, we're doing Jeffree Star Magic Star. concealer. This is shade C7. Okay, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty powder. This is shade Pound Cake. This is my favorite. If you need to like have a photo shoot or like go to a wedding, look amazing in photos, this is your bitch right here. I've never had a bad issue with this powder, so I swear by it. So I'm just gonna take a bit on my forehead. And now with a powder brush and some tinted powder. This is MAC, what is this? Studio Fix powder. I'm going to powder my face and then use this to dust away any of that Huda powder that's still there. Going back into the under eye area, back into that soft glam palette. Perrie's lower lash line is way darker than the top of her eye. So we're gonna go in with this pencil brush. We're gonna take burnt orange first, run that underneath. Then I'm gonna go in with rustic. And then I'm going to tap off that and then just go a little dab of Cypress Umber, tap that up. Perfect. So now we're going in with some kohl eyeliner pencil and run this in my waterline. And then if you need to adjust your inner corner liquid liner, now's the time to do it. But I'm actually pretty happy with the way mine looks, so I'm not going to touch it. So I'm just gonna then take my lower lash mascara, Skinny Mini by Australis, look at it. And do a bit of this. Okay, I'm super happy with that. So well, let's move on to bronzing up the face, giving our face some color. Yum! Okay, you guessed it, Morphe 8L palette and my Morphe M527 bronzer brush. Beep, 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 beep. Bronzing up the face. And then I'm going to take my contour shade from the Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star. It's the eyeshadow, but it's called Safe Word and it's the best. So I'm just going to contour with that. And then I'm just going to take my nose contour brush as well with that shade. Do this. Okay, for blush, we're going to take, this is the Morphe Warm Master Palette 8W. I'm going to take that first light blush here called Sweet. And this is a Morphe E4 brush, little angular one. Okay, for highlighter, I can't see if Perrie's wearing any highlighter, but this is Elise you're talking to, so there will be highlighter. So, I'm going to take Brain Freeze from Jeffree Star and a Morphe M501 brush. I'm going to take Gold Breaker here. And then a little teeny pencil brush just to highlight my nose. And the reason I switch brushes is because I've just done all this work on my nose, you know, making it nice and small. And if I take a big highlighter brush, it just gets rid of everything I've just done, especially in photos. So you take a little brush and you just put it exactly where you want those colors, and then you haven't messed up your entire nose contour. Okay, so now for lips, it's a very orangey color that Pez has got on here. So when I think of orange, I think of the LMX matte lips here. This one, One Kiss. In the center of that, I'm just gonna put Perfect Pout. And then I'm gonna put a bit of Summer Rain LMX lip gloss over that. Now I'm gonna spray the face with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'll be right back with my Perrie costume on. And that's it. I'm in Perrie's outfit, a little pretty little thing number. But yes, I'm very into this outfit. I'm going to be wearing this bodysuit to meet Alaska very soon because, bitch, if it's not leopard print, it's irrelevant. So, everything must be leopard print these days. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel, or if you've seen me a few times and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe. And I have a few more bounce back tutorials left. Just waiting on one item to come in the mail for Jade's doll look, and then they will be filming that. So expect that next weekend, I believe. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Spotify because I'm always updating things, playlists with new bops, bloody tweeting you guys when I missed a video. So that is it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!